Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. Today, we are going to continue the topic adverb. This is the second video of this topic. In the previous video, we have seen that there are 6 kinds of adverbs. The first is adverb of time, second, adverb of manner, third, adverb of place, fourth, adverb of degree, fifth, interrogative adverbs, and sixth, adverb of frequency. Among all these 6, the first and second, that is the adverb of time and adverb of manner, we have studied in the previous video. Now, today we will learn about the rest of adverb. Adverb of place. Now, adverb of place, it tells us where something is done or where something has happened. So, generally, we use it at the end of the sentence. Let us see some examples. There is a fair nearby. Now, in this sentence, nearby is the adverb of place because it is telling us about a place. Let us see one more example. She took the child outside. Now in this sentence, outside is adverb of place because it tells us that it is telling us about a place. That means where she took the child outside. The fourth kind is adverb of degree. Now an adverb of degree tells how much or to what extent something is done or happens. That means it tells that how much of an action is done or to what an extent it is done. This adverb of degree modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs. So, this adverb of degree not only modifies verbs, it sometimes also modifies adjectives and many a times other adverbs also. We use it before the word it modifies. For example, I love my mother so much. So in this sentence, so much is adverb of degree because it is telling that how much we love our mother. In another sentence, the water was extremely cold. Now in this sentence, extremely is adverb of degree because it tells us that how much cold is the water. So when we ask the question how much, we get the answer extremely. Now the fifth kind, interrogative adverbs. It is very simple. Interrogative adverbs help us to ask questions. They are always placed in the beginning of a sentence. Examples. When does the train arrive? Now in this sentence, we are asking a question. When does the train arrive? So the adverb, the word which we use to make interrogative sentences when. So it is an adverb or interrogative adverb. When are you going to New Delhi? Here again we are asking a question. So when is an interrogative adverb. The last kind of adverb is adverb of frequency and it tells how often or how many times something is done. So here frequency means how many times an action has been done. That is known as frequency. So an adverb of frequency tells that how many times a particular action has been done. We generally use adverb of frequency before the main verb or after the verb to be or between a helping verb and the main verb. Let us see some of the examples. He often fights with me. So here we are talking about the fights, and here the frequency of fights is often. We can also change it like he always fights with me. So always means that every time he used to fights with me. That is another kind of frequency. But if we say often, often means not daily but sometimes. Often is another word for sometimes. And we can also change it with never. He never fights with me. Never means he never fights. There is no fight between both of them. So here we need to understand what is the frequency of the fights between them. So he often fights with me. In this sentence, often is the adverb of frequency. I normally go to the gym. So in this sentence, it is telling us about the action of going to the gym, that how frequent that action happens. So normally means generally he used to go to gym. So here this normally is adverb of frequency, as it is telling us about the frequency of an action happening. So that is all for the topic adverbs. I hope you have understood it. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.